Divide 6x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 4 by x squared plus 2. We can write this in a long division form, writing the divisor, x squared plus 2, and the division symbol. And underneath that we will write the dividend. There is no x cubed term. We call it a missing term, so I either leave space for it or write a 0. I'll just leave some space in case I need an x cubed column. So I have 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. When I divide, now I focus on the 6x to the fourth and the x squared. And I just think 6x to the fourth divided by x squared is what? And the answer would be 6x squared. And I write that above the 6x to the fourth. Then I multiply 6x squared times x squared, and I get 6x to the fourth. And then here's where the plus 2 comes in. 6x squared times 2 is 12x squared, and that gets written in the x squared column. At this point, I'm subtract. This 6x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth is 0. This is 3x squared minus 12x squared, which is negative 9x squared. And be careful, we're subtracting at this time. Then I want to bring down the rest of my dividend. And again, I do the same process I did here. I think negative 9x squared divided by x squared is negative 9, so I write minus 9. And then I multiply, that would be negative 9x squared minus 18. And I'm going to write that under the 4 because they're both constants. Now when I subtract, negative 9x squared minus negative 9x squared is 0. 5x minus 0x would be 5x. And 4 minus negative 18 would be plus 22. Now, I'm finished, and the way I know I'm finished is I look at the degree of my remainder, which is 1. The degree of the divisor is 2. Since 1 is less than 2, I'm finished. And I can write my answer by writing the quotient, 6x squared minus 9, plus the remainder, 5x plus 22, divided by the divisor, which is x squared plus 2.